Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Thursday, August 5th, 4:23 p.m. Okay, the stock market's been closed for 23 minutes. Let's look at some blockchain stocks. Some of them have been interesting. They've been performing, some of them have been performing well recently since my last post on them. So we'll look at the time frame weekly, where each candle is a week, and the current day, of course, is Thursday, so they have one more trading day of the week. And look at the duration over 3 years. The first is BDR, Bravo Delta Romeo. The top yellow horizontal line is the yearly high. So for the current week, we're trading above the high of last week. Outstanding. Last week also came into a demand zone where buyers were back here, and then it went higher and had a pullback into that demand zone. It didn't even pull back all the way, just went in it, slightly touched it, and then green for that week, and then the current week higher high. It's a good opportunity if you took that trade here. Plus, if you took it when it broke out the high of there. If you took profits already, outstanding too. Let's see if the momentum continues to the upside. But if we look at the faster time frame, so same settings, you had a huge consolidation building here above that $1 level, making higher lows. Let's see, had that spike up there, pull back. 3 days testing that green demand zone and then reversing. So maybe we'll have a short squeeze to spike it up somewhere, maybe even to $1.50. Next, Bravo, India Tango, Charlie Foxtrot. Here's the yearly high. It's an consolidation just slightly above 0 cents, another penny stock. It's struggled. It's near the record low for the year. Bravo, Lima Kilo, Charlie Foxtrot. The yearly high up here. Again, into this demand zone, which is interesting. Let's zoom in. This past weekly candle here, huge move up, broke out of this consolidation area. So we had a demand zone there, buyers drew the green horizontal line. Again, buyers stepped in here again to this demand zone these past 3 weeks buying. We did make a higher high than the last week, which was inside candle, but back inside that trading range. Let's take it to the faster time frame, off the weekly into the daily. Yep, we see that testing that demand zone also around that 20 cents level or that 0.2 cents level, bouncing up. So large quantity of trading here for a few pennies, you can make a good return daily. Bravo, Tango, Bravo, Tango. We're here, huge reverse. Here's the high for the year. 3 weeks ago was a low for the year and had a reversal. Very nice. Back inside this huge trading range where this had a lot of volatility. And when it broke below that, you saw a smaller trading range. But again, the momentum's to the upside, strong like bull. Bravo, Tango, Charlie, Sierra. We did make record lows here past week, and then reversed. But the upside did not do good. Yeah, it's an acceleration reversing lower. Bravo Tango Sierra Charlie as well. Look at the high here, the high of the year. Down here now. Just shy of a record low. Here's the low for the year. So the current candle is inside the range of last week. One could consider potential trade idea is if we start trading above the high of this last week candle this week before we close, just to go long. Or if we do close here with a yellow candle for the week, then look for a breakout to the upside next week, potential trade idea for the upside. And you could take a target to 4 cents. These are penny stocks, some of them, and you can make some fast money day trading or for swing trading. Swing trading meaning maybe not for months or weeks, but for a few days, 3, 4, 5 days maybe. Again, understand the range of the individual stock you're trading. What's the possibility? What I mean by that, if it's a range, 10 cents, 80 cents, $1, $2 a day, why would you expect $20, $30, $50 moves a day? Be practical, back tested. Charlie Romeo, Charlie Whiskey. Yeah, huge consolidation. Struggling down here. Delta Papa Whiskey. Yep, look at this. 3 years ago, how high it was. And now it's here struggling. But zooming in, yep, it's down here. Almost near the record low of the year. Delta, Sierra, Sierra. Yep, a lot of these blockchain stocks down record low. Here we go. New low for the year for this one. Bad job. Let's go into the next group of them. I already saw some of them looking interesting. High for the year was $11.29. And look at this low right here. I have labeled in this green demand zone. It had that huge breakout for the first week of the year, which also made the high for the year. Now we're retracing and we'll see what happens. Maybe a trade idea coming up in here soon. Let's watch that closely. Golf, Bravo, Tango, Charlie. Here again, here was the high for the year. Since then, been selling off lower low. Came in consolidation phase, broke down in another consolidation phase, like staircase pattern. And then look at that, gap up 2 weeks ago. So it's a new consolidation phase. So if that holds, see this yellow candle? If we break above the high of that, that's a good trade out there. Potential to take that long and have a stop on a fast time frame. So we'll see if this has a continuation here to build consolidation breakout to the upside, consolidation breakout to the upside. Maybe even here to watch for potential target, the midpoint of this candle. If it could take this out with strength, this first one. Golf, Romeo, Oscar, Whiskey, Grow. Here we go. 3 weeks ago, that white candle means to open and close the same price. Dodgy down here. So now you have these 3 candles, small trading range, doing the same thing. Indecisions, just struggling there. Lima, Bravo, Charlie, Charlie. Wow, some huge moves past week. Look at that. Nice, strong like bull. Broke out of consolidation. Mike, Alpha, Romeo, Alpha. A lot of volatility this has this whole year. A lot of whipsaw. So this is a huge consolidation here. Came down the reverse, gapped up, just like the other one I showed you. There was another one that gapped up 2 weeks ago. So apparently there's a lot of interest recently in this. And now we already broke above the high of last week. That's good. Nice. That's still a potential trade out there on a faster time frame for retrace. Mike, Golf, Tango, India. Yep, just shy of record lows. That's struggling. That's not good. Mike, Sierra, Tango, Romeo. As well, gapped up 2 weeks ago. Nice. Very nice. Yep. There's the low for the year there. And that had a consolidation here. Retest. Rejected that low. Broke up to the upside. Built a consolidation. Pulled back again. And then gapped up. Nice. November, Echo, Tango, Echo. Nothing special here. It's just some long consolidation. Riot, Romeo, India, Oscar, Tango. Pretty popular, isn't it? You heard of that one before, right? Look at that, same thing. 2 weeks ago, gapped up. So we have several blockchain stocks I pointed out that gapped up 2 weeks ago. So there's a correlation in some of them. Which one was the leader? Maybe it was a binary event, but the other ones that followed that were very similar. So I would watch this video again, write down the name of those stocks that did the same pattern. What I'm saying is the ones that gapped up 2 weeks ago look similar. I put those on a watch list and watch those closely. So when one of those move positive, the ones that were similar here today should have that similarity you expect. And then you could trade the one you like of those. On to the next. Look at the last group of the blockchain. Sierra, India. Beginning of the year, here's the all-time high. Huge price action here, this consolidation. And then started to do this tighter consolidation here. At the low there, almost retested here, rejected it. Now trading here, tighter consolidation range. So this is looking good. Break above that red that occurs there. That's potential trade out there, right off of that. Sierra, Oscar, Sierra. There's the low for the year down here. Yep, it's struggling down here, not looking good. Sierra, Romeo, Alpha, X-ray. All-time high for the year is right there. Wow, look at that. Huge bearish pin bar, expected. You had a pullback right there. Bearish pin bar, candle, bearish pin bar, bearish pin bar. What happened? Sold off, good trigger. Now we're in a consolidation phase here. And one would expect we're going to be breaking out of here soon. One way or the other, we'll see which direction. But the prior momentum has been down, so this may have further downside. Maybe around the 350. Let's leave it at that. See how that performs the next time we review this. X-ray November, Echo, Tango. Yeah, huge sell-off, struggling right there. Went down either a steep sell, so now it's an acceleration, but still struggling down here. It has earnings soon. Coin, cryptocurrency exchange, Charlie Oscar India November coin. Did its stock IPO this year, right there. That was a week after the IPO. Since then, it's declined, going lower, lower. That's not good for exchange. That should be making a lot of money. It's like Robinhood. It's IPO, it's sold off. So now we're in this consolidation for long duration here, coming to earnings soon. A question. Robinhood is a broker, should be making money. And it's sold off an IPO. Coin should be making money. Not hard business plans, they're kind of like casinos. But when they do IPO, they're raising money for what reason? To buy another company, pay off debt, to pocket money for the board members that gave them investment capital maybe a long time ago. No, your IPO as well. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal link. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.